In our standard number-based system, which is base 10, we have 10 digits. That's 0 through 9. When you add up three numbers like this, you know that the result of adding up 3 digits, which is the same thing as 3 times that digit, since the digits are the same, it's the same. The result you get from adding these 3 digits can either give you a single digit or a double digit result. And in case of the double digit results, you write the units, then you take the tens to add up to the next place, the way we do it. So since we have E plus E plus E here, and we have the same E plus E plus E here, and we're having different digits because each of these letters represent a distinct digit. So since we have different digits here, we know definitely that this one has to be this plus this plus this, which is the same as this, plus whatever was taken up here from the results here. So we know automatically that the result from this one is going to be 2 digits. Then the 10th digit of that will go up here and be making the M that was supposed to come down here, since they are the same, different. So we are supposed to be looking for 3 times a digit that will give us a 2 digits result. So we have our 0 through 9, and we know that 3 times 0 is a single digit, 3 times 1 is a single digit, 3 times 2 is a single digit, 3 times 3 is a single digit. Then we have 3 times 4 double digits, so we can suspect E to be 4. So let's see how correct that is. So 3 times 4, that's 4 plus 4 plus 4 will give us 12. Meaning that if E is 4, then M should be 2. 12. Then we'll write the 2 and take 1 up here. So we have 1 here. So this should give us 12 again, plus 1, which will give us 13. Meaning that we'll have 3 here and take 1 up here again. That means E is 3. But our assumption is saying E is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. So you see that 4 is wrong. That assumption did not correlate. So let's try 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So you have 5. So M should be 5 when E is... Yes, M should be 5 when E is 5. Meaning that they will be the same thing. So that's already going against the rule. They have to be distinct. But if you go on to check that, 1 goes up here. You have 15 again plus that one, 16. E is different because E is said to be 5 here, but now we're getting 6 as per 16. So 6 should be here, so E is 6, and that's wrong again. So we'll try 6. We've tried 4, we've tried 5 for E. We are trying 6 for E. So 6 will give us 18. That means M will be 8. We'll take 1 up here. Then if you do the same thing, 18 plus 1, 19. E is going to be 9, and we just said E is 6 here. It's wrong. So the right one, actually, because of time, the right one is 9. This plus this plus this, if it's 9, 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27. So M will be 7. Then you take 2 up here. So when you get another 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27 plus 2, it will give you 29, which will be 9 here, take 2 up here, meaning that E is 9. It correlates because we assumed E to be 9, and now we're getting 9 here, 29. So we've gotten that E is 9, M is 27, 7 carry 2, so M is 7. So there's a 2 up here, because when you added this, it gave you 27 plus the 2 up here, 29. So there's 2 that went up here. All right, so now we have F plus F plus F. And there's something you need to get straight. So the thing is that when you add up 3 digits in base 10, there is a possibility of having the highest result of 27, since 9 is the highest digit in base 10. So 9 plus 9 plus 9, when you add 3 numbers, the highest possible result you can get in adding 3 digits is 27. That's 3 times 9. 27, meaning that the highest number of digits in the result you can get from adding 3 digits in base 10 is a 2-digit number, 27. And the highest number you can carry to the next place is 2, since 27 is the highest possible result you can get. So it means that we don't know what this one will result in. We don't know what we'll be carrying up here. So, but we know the possibilities of what we'll carry up here is highest 2. So it's either we don't carry anything, which is carrying 0, or we carry 1, or we carry 2. So there are 3 possibilities. So we'll work with those possibilities. But before we go on, we have E as 9. And we know that O added up to 9. Or added up to something that has 9 as its unit. So 9 should be here. So whatever O is should give us 9 down here. So we would use O because F now is variable. We don't know what it is. Arrow, O, they're all variables. We don't know what they are. But at least this one is connected to something. We know what it is because we've done that already. So let's use this to get to this. So since this digit is supposed to be 9, we'll think of, first of all, we'll assume if we carry nothing up here, 0. Then we'll assume what can give us 9, which digit would add up to itself 3 and give us 9 down here, or give us a unit 9 here, even if we take anything out there. And what we have is 3 times 3, that's 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. That's one possibility. So we're saying that O is 3. But if O is 3, meaning that we didn't carry anything up here, if O is 3, then this should be 3, meaning that F should add up to 3, and it should not have any tens digits that will carry up here. That's the assumption. Assumption is that the thing will carry up here is 0. So if it's only a digit that will result from adding F to give us 3, it means that F will have to be 1. So if F is 1, it means that 1, 1, 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So arrow should be 5. So that's one assumption. So arrow should be 5, F should be 1, then O should be 3. That's worked out. That's correlated. There's nothing went wrong there, because 1 gave us this gave us this, and this gave us 5. Nothing is going wrong there. So we have arrow. First of all, we have F is 1. We have arrow is 5. Then we have O is 3. So we're now left with C, H, and T. So out of all the digits, we already have 9, 7, 1, 5, 3. So we are missing out 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have all the odd numbers out. So we just have the even numbers left to find. So would think what digits will add up. Okay, since this one didn't carry any number up here, then C plus C plus C out of 2, 4, 6, 8, what would it be to have a 2-digit, since T is like the second digit of whatever this one adds up to? So let's think of a 2-digit number, or T could also be 0 though, so it could just be a 1-digit number, then T is 0. It could also be that. So but let's think of what possibly C can be to give us some H that is within the even number series. So because all these ones are taken and every single digit should be distinct, so every single letter should be distinct to be a distinct digit. So all these ones are gone, so C has to be even and H has to be even. Even T has to be even. So let's check. what even number will add up to itself 3 times to give us some other even, what even digit will add up to itself 3 times like this and results in an even digit again. So we have 0 plus 0, C could be 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, which will give us 0, and that will not work because C and H would then have to be 0 and they have to be distinct, so that's the wrong assumption. Let's try 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 should give us 6. So C could be 2, then H is 6, then O is 0. Or let's try 4. C could be 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 will give us 4 plus 4 plus 4 will give us 12. So H could be 2, then T will be 1, but F is already 1, so T cannot be 1. So that's the wrong thing we can do. We've gotten one already when we assume that T is 0. So we've gotten one where C can be 2, H can be 6, then T can be 0. But some people will contest the fact that T is supposed to be a digit except 0. So there's some other results. So let's try and get that other result. So at least we'll have the 2 of them. So we've tried for C being 2. Okay, that one has gone. Then C being 4, because we are trying for even digits since all the odd digits have gone. So C being 4 didn't work because T will have to be 1 and 1 is already F. So try for 6. If C is 6, then 6 plus 6 plus 6 will give us 18, meaning that H is 8 and T is 1, but T can be 1 because F is already 1. So we'll now try with the last even digit, that's 8. So if C is 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 will give us 24. So H will be 4, then T will be 2, and that does not go against any of the conditions. So C can be 8, then H will be 4, then T will be 2. So either this or this, we'll go with this, and that's the result. So H is either 6 or 4.